Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Throne and Liberty game. Controllers is not working on your PC. Guys, first open up the Steam, then click on the Throne and Liberty game. I don't have the game, but trust me, I will show you the solution that definitely fix your problem. Then click on the gear icon, go to your game properties, then click on the controllers, then just select here the disable Steam input. So once you select it, then launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then completely close the game, then go to the properties, then go to the controllers, then just select the enable Steam input. Then launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, then you can simply select the disable Steam input. Now, the solution to fix this problem is check controller compatibility. Ensure that your controller is supported by the game. Some controllers may not work natively, especially on PC. Now the second solution is update controller drivers. Make sure the driver for your controllers are up to date. This can often resolve compatibility issues. Now the third solution is Steam Big Picture mode. If playing via Steam, enable Big Picture mode and adjust controller setting in Steam input. Ensure that your controller is detected under manage game controller configurations. Now the fourth solution is reconfigure controller settings within Run and liability check if there are specific setting or remapping options for controllers in the game option menu. Reconfigure controller manually if needed. Now the fifth solution is this solution I already show you, so just skip it. Now the sixth solution to fix this problem is restart the game or PC. Simple restart of the game or even your PC can often clear temporary issues related to controller detection. Then check your problem is fixed or not. Now, the seventh solution is third-party software if necessary. If you are using a non-standard controller, you may need third-party software like TS for Windows for PlayStation controllers or X360 CE for custom mapping controllers as Xbox controller. And after all of the solution, then check your problem is fixed or not. And I hope guys one of the solution fixes your problem. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video and bye bye and take care.